Hey there, Tundra buddies. Today we're going to go ahead and flash my 2017 Toyota Tundra Flex Fuel 5.7 liter with my SCT Bully Dog scanner. We're going to set that to a premium tune, so I figured I'd have you guys come along with me while I go ahead and do that. From flashing my truck previously, I do recommend make sure you have a good amp, a good battery charger. You want to make sure it puts out strong amps. Bully Dog recommends 10 to 15. I've got one that's going to put out about 30. You definitely, from experience, I did run into trouble when I tried to do it with my old charger that was only putting out about 6. So you want to make sure you're at least over 10 before you try this. But come on along and let's go flash my truck. So here you can see under device info the current voltage for the battery is at 12.7. So you want it over 12.5, but recommend connecting a battery charger, something that has over 10 amps. 10 to 15 is what Bully Dog recommended when I spoke to them. All right, now we're going to program, turn the key on. We're going to go choose premium. All right, I'm just going to let this roll. All right, let's make sure it fires up. So there you go. It's pretty straightforward. It's not too hard to reprogram your truck with the Bully Dog scanner. I definitely noticed a difference setting it on the performance transmission and the shift points. Leaving off at a light, definitely a big difference. I don't get on my truck, I don't rag on it, so I do notice at passing speeds on the highway, there's definitely a difference. Sometimes those Tundras feel like you're towing a piano behind you and they're taking off at a light. Switching this over, definitely a big difference. I didn't try the stock or the regular tune with regular gas. I've only used the performance tune, so I've got 92 or 91 octane in there right now. But you definitely notice a difference. Would you beat everything on the racetrack? Probably not. It's probably not going to be everything that you would expect it to be, but it's definitely a lot more fun driving it with performance tune. Like I said, if you've got the extra cash or a Christmas present, definitely would recommend put it on your list. It's made driving the truck a lot more fun. So thanks for watching, and drop a comment if you've used this before, or if there's any questions that I might be able to answer for you. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.